today we are going to deliver the contents regarding your SQL, means how to use SQL, standard query language, for generation of bill. And as this is one of the important topic, as far as generation of the bill, we can have this database. In the database, we generate all the content, all the content related to this component specifications, description, cost, everything used in this bill of material. So bill of material, how we can generate it step by step, how to create the bill of material. Okay. So bill of material is a list of raw materials or ingredients and it respective quantity needed to manufacture the final goods, means our final electronic system design. Okay, it requires number of things, number of material, number of component, like this. So bill of material will be like that. That means all the ingredients or all the components, all including the specification, descriptions, all will be there, and that we can generate as a bill of material. So see, bill of material is raw materials or components respective need to be manufactured the final good. Now, how bill of material is there? Material, that means electronic, okay, work order, markers, okay, then final product and byproduct, like this. Depending upon we have this thing. So material in manufacturing process is in manufacturing process, where manufacturing order of particular product need to set some corresponding bill of material. Okay, and see the bill of material. We may have generation by using this SQL also. So creation of bill of material. Okay, master data, because this is one of the database management. We may say relative database management, RDBMS. Okay, so product name it is mentioned, then quantity. Okay, unit of quantity, ref bill of material, manufacture this product quantity, product unit of measure, like this. The final product, it is required each raw material quantity components. Okay, component tab is there. You may after each entering of each component. So how to use reference in bill of material? When we can use bill of material at the time of manufacturing order. Okay, and now product quantity of like this. Okay, then the sources and all may have details in this. You may custom. Then see, if you did not give a proper reference to bill of material, we can't identify it easily. So there should be proper reference number, like this. IC, so IC is there, then IC number. Then sometimes we required manufacturing company name also. Okay, so likewise we may add these things in a proper way. So bill of material type, of this thing that it is related to this. You may have a type of material will be available in manufacturing. Kit type bill of material will not be available in manufacturing. So there are what type of things are there? Manufacturing operation, components available, components in first operation of first operation. So you may have this type of things, that is in the manufacturing process also you may have 1, 3 levels. You can that type of sequence. Sequence is used to prioritize bill of particular product. So that is one of the things at the time of exam also. What is the sequence and of that? Okay. Then now, if you see the manufacturing readiness, that is of the component if it is available. Component components are remain in the total. You may have some addition of component if it is required. So likewise, may go for. So manufacturing configuration of and bill of material product. See the product variations. No variant on the products. Products can be several attributes defining variants. Example, size, color, like this. Okay. So now everywhere you will find that this type of bill of material thing, these things are used because it is required everywhere in any company or any we can say store like this. It is required. So bill of material is there everywhere. You will find in mall also. You will find that bill of material is there. Correct. So in our project or electronic system design, we require this type of things in software so that we can generate in a proper way. As far as data management it is concerned, it is mentioned that you may have RDBMS and SQL. So RDBMS means database management, relational database management, and you can have comparison. You can have the drop down menu, and you can compare all the available products also, components, especially components. So here you may have managed production, manufacturing orders, managed production key orders like this also, and then this is the link. Now I will go for one of the very important that is notes. I will show to you. There you will get all the idea about this. Okay. So let us go with this. See what is bill of material now? Is a complete formally that make up product assembly. In your hardware assignment, you are going to here it is mentioned very clearly. See now. A bill of material is a complete formula of components make up a product or assembly. The list comprises of the material of each component together with quantity and unit of measure. Which things are important for component now? Number of components, quantity, I will say quantity, correct? Then together quality and unit of the measure means quantity, description and unit of measurement. That is minimum required. Okay, these things are the basic things. Of material can be single level. Example, finished material would contain semi-finished material as a component. Would contain raw material as a component in next level. You are doing one block. Okay, suppose I am making a power supply block for our hardware design, correct? And then after I am going for the next block. Related controller, suppose, correct? Controller. I have bill of material of my power supply separate that use for the another block. So that you can have of a bill. Then there different bill of materials for depending upon the lot size. Valid. See, you may have different things also. How many first lot, second lot, like this also. Then validity of the dates. Methods. Depending upon methods also, you can have the item bill of material. Then production planning, semi-finished and raw material. That type of bill of material we can generate. Then also use standard for finished product by rolling up the cost of raw, semi, and finished product. So while generating bill of material, we have to think about the semi-finished product and then final product like this. Bill of material can be made for the material of PP module. The equipment of the material can be used for plant maintenance module. So how to create bill of material now? Okay, step 1. What exactly it is? You can have parent material for need of this bill of material. Enter plant code. Okay, uses one that used for creation or production of bill of material. then enter valid for the date and means of bill of material valid from the date, like this. So see this now, screen now. Okay, bill of material, edit, go to extra environment, like this. So creating initial screen. What exactly it is? Material name. Okay, then plant, bill uses, then alternative bill of material, like this also. So all these tabs are there. Then validity, change the number, valid from. Okay, then coming to next part, that is after filling these fields, you can press enter and go to next screen. So in next screen, what will be there? You can have category L. Okay, stock item, like this, and then enter the component material code in the component field. Okay, and then after you can have quantity, and then after description, and lastly unit of the material. Okay, so you may write here like this. See now what exactly it is written here: material, then what is it is, okay, and this we have used earlier. Now this is the second screen. What is that item? That is component. Okay, then component description, quantity, like this, component model name, model number, correct, then description, we can say specification, and then quantity, and then unit, like this. So these things are there. Then coming to next part, that is uh, it is column wise entry of the row wise and column wise entry of that, just like Excel sheet, correct. And then after in this in step number 3, you may go for BOM header. Okay, bill of material header. So how you can generate the header here? Create general item overview, like this. So see, base parent material, the component quantity describe how much you can one item. Then check the system will message create bill of material at the lower left of the corner. Okay, then you may go for this thing, that is all these things are there. Bill of material uses production, technical type, bill of material, all. Okay, base quantity, how you are, how to change the bill of material, how to change the bill of material. Yes, parent material and material, it is you can change parent code, it is enter uses, all these things are there that we have used earlier. Valid from, and all this material, all this. Okay, okay, after filling this data, change the component code or quantity. So you may change it. Okay, component, and here you can see the quantity. You may change it. Okay, so that things are available here. How to do now? So for that, see the screen now. Okay, this is again, go to next screen now. Go to next screen, because this is the earlier screen only. Then come to next screen. This same and item. So see item, then component, component description, quantity, unit, like this. It is there. So you can take a preview before printing. That means you can have a display of material. Some of the time this screen is available for the customer also. Okay, while entering the data. So all these things are there. Okay, then what is the next? That is bill of material header overview. Okay, header overview. So see this bill of material text जो आपको करना है यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं. Okay, then quantity is there. You may go for creation of header file. Okay, so likewise you may go for doing this creation of bill of material. Okay, now